Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, about 8:30 in the morning, and we are coming into Cadiz. I think we are supposed to dock around 10 a.m. And this is the first view of land since last night. Weather looks a little daunting, but it's early and there's glimmers of sun out there. And yeah, we're gonna head up for some breakfast, and we'll take some pictures from up above and see what Cadiz looks like. And at about 10:45 we have a tour, and we'll be driving around the island. So more later. We're actually tying up right now, pulling the lines in. It's like trash truck is waiting to unload us. And oh, what that is, looks like an oil drilling rig.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Two of them, actually.
Or something to load the ships with, I don't know. Looks interesting. And that's an interesting building over there. And this is Cadiz. And today's plan is a small group driving tour of the island with 14 other people, our closest friends, and that's what we're set for today. So yeah, here we are in Cadiz. Say good morning.
Good morning.
How's the face today?
Don't show it.
Well, Mom looks bad, but she's better today. Her left eye has opened up and is able to see better, so that's good news. So anyway, more when we get down off the ship. Well, hi Internet. I've been calling our most recent stop Cadiz, and I was wrong. We are in Tenerife in the Canary Islands. And after this little correction video, I will post a map of where we actually are. And we're presently sitting in the cigar lounge. waiting to go into the showroom to meet or get our information for our excursion today. And then we will be off and running around Tenerife. So, and there's Mom. Say hi, Mom. And yeah. So anyway, sorry about that incorrect information, and we will show you more of Tenerife as the day proceeds. Hasta la bye-bye for now.
Amado. Do we have any Spanish speaker here? No? No one? Okay, welcome to Canary Islands. Welcome to Tenerife. I don't know, have you been here before? No. Your first time? First time. Really? Okay, welcome to Canary Islands. Here, Tenerife, well, Canary Islands are a group of islands of 8 islands. We used to be 7, but one of the tiny islands that we have became an island. So now we're 8. Here you have a map of the Canary Islands. We're here in the, can you see it? I'll pass it to you. So you go. Tenerife, this island here, is the highest and longest of them all. With, do you use meters? Yes. Okay, with 3,718 meter high, Tenerife is the highest point of the Canary Islands, but also the highest point in Spain. We're the roof of Spain, and the 3rd highest volcano in an island in the world. The 2 highest ones are in Hawaii, Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea, and the 3rd one is here in Teide. But this one was constructed by Calatrava in 2003, so it has already 21 years. And it's like, as I say, the symbol of Santa Cruz de Tenerife. At the beginning was pretending to be a wave crashing with rocks, but to me, it looks like more like a warrior helmet or something like that. It can be anything. So, the conquerors, the Spanish conquerors came here, as I say, the 1st of May of 1494. And 2 days after, the 3rd of May, they celebrate the first Christian Mass in this island. So, do you know what? Which they have like around 20 or 15 to 20 million years old. And then the youngest are the right, it's where the rich people live at. That's why I live in the town next to it. I'm almost there, but not quite yet. Here, they have the most beautiful view from the Atlantic Ocean. It's like a hill, so they all have view to the Atlantic Ocean. Today is cloudy and gray, as I say. It's all covered with clouds, but the views from up here, oh, look at the vineyards on the left. That's what I say. It's full of them, a lot of vineyards in this part of the island. You will see how a little bit farther, it's all covered with banana groves. But this area, the vineyards are the main ones. Here, on the right, you can see all the houses that I mentioned. They all have Atlantic Ocean views, see? So, the next town, the town that I live at, it was the first battle against the Guanches and the Spanish conquerors. It all began in La Matanza. La Matanza means like, I don't know exactly the name, it's like the big kill where a lot of people die fighting. The 90% of the Spanish conquerors died in that battle. The 10% that survived escaped to Gran Canaria and then came back with more people through La Victoria, which means the victory hit them because the first time they get in touch with them, they got the flu. So they were sick and weak. And it was easy for the Spanish people to kill the Guanches.
Is that the volcano?
Yes, sir. Right in front of us, we can see the volcano. The only part we're missing is the very peak, but you can almost see it, But that is the highest point in Tenerife. By the way, do you have any idea about how many volcanoes do we have in here? Only this island. Tell me a number, and if you guess, then I invite you to a barraquito, and I'll explain you now what is a barraquito. What? How many? 23? Any idea?
21.
21. We have 321 volcanoes only in this island. Actually, at the beginning, Tenerife was 3 islands. 3. The highest part, it was Anaga Island. The bottom, it was Adeje Island. And then on the left, it was
Up here is the caves. Where we stop and take a look at.
Yok dedi bana bir şey yapsalar da olurdu diyor.
Okay.
Okay, let's get up.
Much more farming here than in Madeira. You know?
Oh, yeah.
Much more farming.
And there's something there. Yeah. Very nice. You see how they've taken the land and terraced it all the way down. As we were driving up, there were some very nice villas in the middle of the plantation. You can see some of them out there. The sun is clearing a little bit. There's the volcano. Very nice, and the day has cleared up. Nice and sunny right now. And it's about 66 degrees. And it's 10 after 11 local time. So there you have it. We are doing our small group tour on a big bus, which is quite nice. Anyway, more later as we proceed on our tour. Here we are at another spot along the coast. Really beautiful here. Place here, coffee, or something to drink. just to see it. Very nice spot. Just on another little note here in the Canary Islands, I have given up on the sneakers and back to, yes, there they are, back to my flip-flops, my favorite travel shoes. And so there you have it. Sneakers are back at the ship and flip-flops are on the road.
Where mostly everybody from the north of Tenerife learn how to surf. I learned surfing in that beach because it's one of the easiest. And if you walk to the left, you can visit the city. You can pass by the San Telmo Street, which is covered with lava, and it's so pretty. I also recommend you to go to the left, and you will have another bunch of shoppings and cafeterias, and you can reach Plaza del Chaco. But keep in mind that you have to come back. So if it takes you half an hour to get there, you will have to leave because it's another half an hour to go back. It's mostly flat. It's not. It doesn't have big hills in Puerto de la Cruz, but it's easy to walk and also so pretty to see. Now, if you look to the right, you can see the beach that I was talking about, Martínez Beach, and the pools, Manrique pools, the San Manrique pools, or as we call it, Lago Martínez. By the way, all of our beaches are black sand beaches or volcanic beaches because we're volcanic. We do get we do have one beach that is white sand, but this sand was bringing from the Sahara Desert. It's an artificial beach. Our beaches are black sand or rock, volcanic rock beaches. The islands closest to the Africa coast, they have white sand beaches, turquoise water, completely different than this one because they're closer to the Sahara Desert and the wind brings a lot of sand to them. But here, as you can see, they're all volcanic beaches.
No surfers.
With surfers, see? There's some people training in there today. Today we don't have the best day because it's a little bit windy, but they're people, they're always.
So this was basically like the first resort town.
It was the first resort of the Canary Island, whole Canary Island. It was, as I say, Puerto de la Cruz, it was the first resort of the whole Canary Island. Look, right in front of us is another dragon tree. You can see closer from here, see? On the left now, on the right now, that is a dragon tree. And another one here. So, yeah, it looks, as one of you say, it looks like a Harry Potter tree. Yeah, for sure. So, we're close to the place that we're going to get off the bus. Amado is going to drop us off. And it will be the same place that he will pick it up, okay? It's easy. And then I recommend you to go either right or left. You can go anywhere, but I recommend you to go either right or left. If you get lost, ask for McDonald's. or the casino. Here, the train that is in front of us is a free train that drop you off in the zoo. The zoo here is the most important one that we have in the whole Canary Islands. It's called Loro Parque. We also
In the
have
middle of town is our bus. And we are going to take a walk here down this esplanade and we'll get something to drink, maybe something to eat, take a little walk, and weather is beautiful, a little windy, but temperature-wise it's pretty amazing, really, really nice. So yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna see, and if something interesting comes up, we'll be back and I'll show it to you all. So bye-bye for now. Here along the seaside, in this nice little town, resort town. Reminds me a lot of a lot. Mom's having hot chocolate, and we're destroying this piece of cake we're sharing. I'm having a latte, and not sure what this guy is or why he comes with the coffee and the hot chocolate. And yeah, walking around a bit. Got a nice little inexpensive walking stick for Mom, and she has no clue how to use it. And yeah, we're gonna sit here, enjoy the view, the nice weather, a little windy, but very nice. Anyway, more later, and after our tour, and we've come up to get a little lunch, and since it's not very busy, thought I would do a video of the lunch buffet. And some fish, no chips, and some wraps, gyro, lamb gyro, that looks good. I think I might try that. And here's the pastas that they're making. And this side is pretty much the same as the other side. And the salad, so I won't repeat that. And then over here, some cold cuts, some Greek toast, tuna and pita, some roast chicken, some ragu, chicken wrap, some veggies, fruit, a little dessert, apricot, and chocolate back there. And this is the selection of ice creams, bread, carving station, and they have leg of lamb. What's in there? Soup?
Carrot and potato soup. Here.
Little roasted chicken on a cucumber with yogurt garlic sauce. A little poached salmon, little cuts, some mussels, and some shrimp. And there you go. And that is lunch. And Mom got some I'd like a Diet Coke.
Diet Coke, lemon, Diet Coke.
And I'm trying the pizza, the fish, and the moussaka. I'm sorry? Yes. Yes, thank you. And so, yeah, we're sitting out here at the back of the ship. Actually inside, but right at the glass. And we're going to give things a try here. And actually, I'll try this. Put a little too much pepper on there. But anyway, there's the pizza. And little mini slices. Well, not too bad. Been sitting a little while since it's cold. But, yeah, we're already late for lunch. It's a little after 2. And lunch it ends at 2:30. But we just got back from our tour. So we zipped right up here and to get something. So anyway, more later. Hasta la bye-bye for now. And the excuse me, the Defender tour has arrived back. It was probably pretty good. I'm gonna guess that because they were in Defenders, they probably went up to the volcano. So that probably looked like a pretty good tour. Probably too strenuous for Mom. And what we did was probably the right thing, but just pretty cool. Riding around in the old 110s. Anyway, just a little more something. We're dining in Compass Rose. This is our second night in Compass Rose. And tonight I will film our dinner. But, it's where we're sitting here to the side. So we can watch the wait staff as they do their thing. And here's the menu for tonight. Just remember, you can always pause the video to be able to watch, actually read the menu. Sorry, not watch, but read it. And so we're going to make our selections, and well, bread service has arrived. Our star waitress is here. And yep, try and guess what we are ordering. You just saw the menu, and you'll see what we're getting in just a few. More later. So our appetizers have arrived, or actually I should say, the first of our appetizers have arrived. And so I have the dumplings, and Mom has the prosciutto. Is that prosciutto? And so I am going to try my dumplings, and give me a moment, let me cut one. So there's the dumpling. I just cut a piece of it. Yeah, sort of right out there with Chinese delivery. So, okay, but nothing to write home about. My dear, how was your first appetizers? How is the, just like the ham in Portugal and Barcelona?
Yeah, just like it.
Good. Looks nice. So,
Very good. Very
first
tasty.
appetizers, Michelle wins. Mine is so-so. Be back when the next appetizer arrives. Hey everybody, but I forgot to take pictures and video of one of the appetizers, which was my lobster bisque, and what did you have?
Salad.
A salad. But we're on to our next appetizer, and I have the risotto, which actually Mom is having hers shortly after her soup, and she's got what was it? Mulligatawny soup. And so, yep, this is appetizer number 3. More in a bit. The risotto was pretty good. One artichoke, one little piece of artichoke, one little piece of pancetta. How was the soup?
Soup was very good.
Obviously, the soup was pretty good.
It was very good.
You enjoyed it, which is good. We are at sea again. We're on our way to another Canary Island.
And it's supposed to be rough again today.
And it's going to be rough tonight. And does anybody out there know why the Canary Islands are called the Canary Islands? And leave in the comments below if you know. But it has nothing to do with birds. There's a hint. Okay, so you're gonna have to excuse this video. This is the avocado crab, Bloody Mary, blah blah blah. I started to eat it before I took the video, but anyway, there was a crab claw sitting on the top here, which was actually terrible. And then there's some crab with some avocado gelled up on top, and tomato juice on the bottom. And Mom is having the risotto that I had my last appetizer. So there you go. That's the end of our appetizers. And sorry for some of the mishaps, but it is what it is. And so far, everything has been mediocre to good. So with that, we'll come back hopefully with our entrees, and maybe we'll get to take pictures before we forget and start eating. More later. This video while Mom's in the restroom, but I think she got some pecan crusted chicken, whatever. Looks pretty good actually. I think there's mashed potatoes on the bottom. And I got the barbecue pork ribs or something like that. Please go ahead and check the menu. I don't remember exactly what it was. And I've had some wine and bourbon. So anyway, this is our mains, and when we get back to dessert, I'll tell you how the mains were. Bon appetit, and more later. Time, and we're having the pistachio souffle, which I, sorry, once again forgot to take pictures of before we started. But the souffle actually happens to be very good.
Best part of dinner.
Actually, the best part of dinner. My pork was basically unedible. Mom's chicken was dry and hard. Just totally unimpressed. This is some Saint Honoré dessert, and I just tasted it, and totally unimpressive. Souffle, however, is pretty good. So, and actually the souffle is the star of the entire night, entire dinner, which is actually pretty sad. But yeah, I don't know how Regent used to be, but I am far from impressed. So with that, looking forward to a cigar in the cigar lounge, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hasta la bye-bye, and if you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thank you, everybody. Hasta la bye-bye.